Hello everybody, this is Rachna Sharma and you are watching Food Tech Geeks where we talk about food science and technology. So a few days back, this meme was getting very popular on social platform and everybody was posting it on their social networking platforms. And then I realized that not only me, but almost every other food technology student is going through some blind statements and judgments. Like, is food technology a part of hotel management? Do you learn to cook food in this course? If not, then what exactly you do? And food technology is a very easy subject. And this is what I'm hearing right from the starting of my bachelor's. Even when I made it to my gold medal in BSc, even then also I got some blind statements like, oh, this is such an easy subject. If you have had maths and physics, then getting a gold medal would have been a great deal. You will also hear people constantly asking you of the career options, like what will you do after a degree in food technology, what is its use, where will you get a job, and more. So being a food technologist and facing all these judgments, today I am taking this responsibility to break all such stereotypes, or I say myths, about food science and technology. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So, firstly, talking about food tech's connection with hotel management, let me make it very clear that both of these courses are two separate individual courses having their different domains. Like, food technology is not about preparing dishes, management of hotels, resorts, and stuff like that. This is more of a science. It is science of food, chemistry of food components, flavors at macro and micro level. It involves experiments and studies to make food more convenient, stable, and safe. Different aspects of food, like processing, preservation, storage, packaging, and developing various techniques for food processing, make the base of this course. So, food technology is not about cooking and making dishes, but yes, of course, we do make food products. Like every food product you buy from the market, like milk packets, milk powders, snacks, frozen fruits, canned fruits, and the endless product list come from a food industry having food technologies. We innovate new foods, nutraceuticals, functional foods, personalized foods, space foods, and the list is endless. So, in a nutshell, food technology and hotel management are two different individual courses, and food technology is a very dynamic subject. So, the next misconception is food technology is a very easy subject. So, my dear friends, it all depends on one's level of intelligence. Like for one, something is easy, might be difficult for the other one. So, food technology is an interdisciplinary course. It has got applications of so many subjects like agriculture, physics, chemistry, maths, microbiology, human physiology, packaging, engineering, and market management, sales, international trade, national and international laws, rules, regulations, standards, supply chain management, consumer relationship, global perspective, and what not. So it is a very dynamic and demanding subject rather than an easy breezy degree. And the last and the most important is, if you have any doubt in the scope of this course, then I guess that this corona pandemic period has proved the need and importance of food industry and food technologies, where everything was shut down, but the demand of shelf stable and convenient food rose to another level. Food technology is an emerging sector having a very bright future. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope at my level I have done justice to burst all the myths and misconception regarding food technology. And now it's your time to do your part. Share it with all your food technology friends, classmates, colleagues who too have faced these blind statements. And yes, don't forget to share it with all those around you having such misconceptions about food technology. And let me know into the comment section what more myths or misconceptions or blind statements you face, and subscribe to the channel We have a target of striking 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. So do like, share, and comment and subscribe. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.